142090. And I don't know. Due to strike for the with guards on Northern today, there are limited services, so this is why it's doubled up, just in case. So this is 142090 142084. So that way the next stop is Shildon, Bishop Auckland. That's a 1516 to Saltburn, running at Newton Aycliffe, Highton North, Darlington North Road, Darlington, Dinsdale, and a couple of other places, and Saltburn. I can't read it from here. So that was calling at.
That might get to Aycliffe in a minute. Before we even.
So where is it? 156. There we go. 1516, calling at Newton Aycliffe, I can't pronounce that, Darlington North Road, Darlington, Dinsdale, Tisa, Allers West, Thornaby, Middlesbrough, South Bank. Is it South Bank? Yeah. Redcar Central, Redcar East, Longbeck, Mask and Saltburn. So there's a parliamentary service, see if I can find it, there you go. The 1448 from Eaglescliff stops at, Allens West. No, Eaglescliff to Darlington stops at Teesside Airport on a Sunday. And that's a Saltburn, that's the only train that stops at Teesside Airport. And it's to Darlington. So yeah, Saltburn Station. There's an hourly service on this line. So that way, turn left, is the locomotion at Shildon, which is a rail museum. That's got some interference. So down here, so this line is part of the Shildon Works line. I don't know what's down that way, but it looks like it's like a bus thing for the locomotion, and down there is the actual museum. So yeah, thank you for watching. Please rate, comment and subscribe, and be sure to hit that notification bell to be notified of all my future uploads, and I shall see you all in the next video. Bye-bye!
Industrial action will affect northern services on the following Saturdays: the 8th of September, the 15th of September, the 22nd of September and the 29th of September.
Brit.
A reduced service will operate, which will mean at some stations trains will start later and finish earlier than normal. Other stations will be served by a replacement bus service, and some stations will have no service at all. To see how this will affect your journey each week, please visit northernrailway.co.uk/strike.
That would be, oh, there's a station cat over there, look, if I can zoom in. A station cat, look. Aww. I think that guy will be doing the announcement from the... There's a plane overhead, but I can't see it. The guy will be doing the announcement from the signal box over there. So anyway, as I was saying, So this is just a short video for this weekend, so I haven't managed to edit one for today. So this is Saturday. Can't remember the date. It is Saturday the 8th of September. But this is going to go up tomorrow. It's just as a quick video, so I haven't managed to edit one yet due to summer work for school. Anyway, bye-bye!